Samantha, Mevante, La Yakuma, La Africa.
First of all, what is Peter Obi phenomenon all about? Simply put, it's a political movement currently spreading across the length and breadth of Nigeria. I am talking about the 36 states of the Federation and 774 local government areas. It is about Peter Obi, a Nigerian politician who wants to bring about a paradigm shift in the country's politics and governance. The movement promises to produce the long-awaited third force in Nigeria's current political dispensation. Why a third force? You will recall that since 1993, when Nigeria began a new democratic journey, up till now, two major parties had been at the center stage. 1993, it was SDP and NRC. In 1999, it was PDP and APP in alliance with AD. 2003, PDP and ANPP. 2007, PDP and ANPP. 2011, PDP and CPC. 2015, PDP and APC. 2019, PDP and APC. However, in 2023, we will have APC, the ruling party, PDP, and Labour Party, which is the third force. The emergence of the third force was occasioned by the momentum which Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of Labour Party, and Baba Ahmed Datti, the vice presidential candidate, have brought into the 2023 presidential race. The P2B phenomenon, or Obidient movement as it is fondly called, is anchored on 1. Politics of mission and vision. 2. Issue-based campaign. 3. Formation of informal and ubiquitous structures. 4. Combination of online and offline political structures, systems, and strategies. 5. Prudent use of funds for campaign activities. 6. Non-bribery policy for party delegates, chieftains, and voters. 7. Data-powered political campaigns. 8. Social media prominence. 9. Crowdfunding. 10. Mobilization of a critical mass of youth, women, and working class. Prominent Nigerians have joined the moving train, and there seems to be so much excitement in the air. If you ask me, I would say the train is moving with a superabundant momentum. Besides Peter Obi and Ahmed Datti, there are several men and women driving the train. The roll call: 1. Mr. Julius Abure, National Chairman, Labour Party. 2.
Akin Oshuntoku,
Director General, Presidential Campaign Council. 3. Comrade Ayuba Waba, National President, Nigerian Labour Congress. 4. Dr. Tanko Yenusa, Chief Spokesperson, Presidential Campaign Council. 5. Indi Kato, Spokesperson, Presidential Campaign Council. 6. Professor Pat Utomi. 7. Senator Victor Ume. 8. Dele Farotimi, and a host of other men and women. Now, there are forces or factors behind the moving train. In trying to pin them down, I remember vividly Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia. It states, everybody continues to be in a state of rest or uniform motion, except being compelled by an external force to act otherwise. When applied to the Nigerian situation, the forces that are making people to join the train are poverty, hunger, disease, insecurity, unemployment, human misery, human suffering, and so on and so forth. With millions of Nigerians already in the train, the moving train, the question is, can Labour Party defeat the ruling party APC and PDP in 2023 presidential election? Only time will tell.